First the body, then the tail, fins, and eyes.
Now kids, what's this color?
Orange.
Very good.
Yeah, orange color.
Kids, I teach you how to draw a cat.
Now kids, I teach you how to draw an elephant. Yeah, gray color. What color is the elephant?
Gray.
Yes, very good.
I teach you how to draw a turtle. See? A big half circle shell.
Color.
Very good. Yeah, green color.
Now kids, I teach you how to draw a rabbit.
Kids, I teach you how to draw a chick. One simple circle, big and clear. Now kids, what's this color?
Yellow. Yeah, yellow color.
Now kids, I teach you how to draw a cat.
Goodbye.
Kids, do like and subscribe the channel.